Attributing legal person status to nature assigns rights, protections, privileges, responsibilities, and legal liability. In 2024, rivers, mountains, waves, and whales were all given legal personhood status. In New Zealand, the peaks of Egmont National Park were provided legal person status. The coastal city of Linhares in Brazil recognized ocean waves as living beings, granting them the right to existence, regeneration, and restoration. A Pacific Indigenous Leaders Treaty recognized both whales and dolphins as legal persons.